Well, good evening, and here we are at the end of day 6. And what we did today is we finished putting down the fabric and the base of the 6A stone, and then we actually set the pipe or the tile and then put the top coat or the top layer of 6A stone, and now we are ready for concrete. That's a clean out right there, one of the 3 clean outs that we put in just in case it was to ever plug up, but I don't think it will. So, and then of course as we were laying the tile, you've got to make sure that it's at least level or has just a slight bit of drop to it back to the crock, which can be kind of challenging, especially with a long run like this. But it actually went together relatively quick, and it's flowing really well. We're getting good water flow from each side into the crock, as I will demonstrate to you here as soon as we get back around to the crock. But we are gonna wait for a couple good heavy rains to test it out and make sure that everything is functioning as it should, and that we're not getting water up through the gravel here, because if that's the case, then something's wrong, because we should not be getting any water up to this level that you're looking at right now. And there's the other clean out, and back around into the laundry area. I hooked the washer and dryer and water softener back up temporarily so that we could get back to some sort of normalcy. I'm going to have to unhook it again when it comes time to do the concrete, but here I'll demonstrate to you. Oh, kicked on by itself. Okay, get over here so you can see both pipes. Well, you can't really see both pipes. There, now we can. See, we got water flow coming from both sides. And even though we haven't had rain in almost a week, or maybe it's been over a week, and we still have this much water flowing through that tile. I mean, the water table is just so high. But anyway, so that's where we're at with the Basement from Hell project. Of course, then after we get all this poured back into concrete, then I gotta start demoing these walls, because there is mold, I'm sure, behind this paneling all the way around. I'm gonna do start out with the exterior walls, which would be, well, I know there's mold on this wall, so it's basically going to be from that wall all the way around to through the guitar room and over to that corner. I'm going to have to demo that. What I'm thinking about doing, because I don't really want to redo the ceiling, I was thinking about just cutting like 2 inches down from the ceiling all the way around and because there's drywall behind the paneling, and then just reframing the walls from there and just putting a trim piece at the top. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. So anyway, that's where we're at right now. This will probably be the last progress video for a while, because like I said, we're going to wait for a couple really hard rains to make sure the system does what it's supposed to do before we take the time and effort and money to pour the concrete in. So signing off for now. This is the basement from hell. Adios.